What is Jamaican Sinting? Everything about Jamaica. Hi, Wagwan. My name is Jania, and I have decided to start a very interesting series on how to talk Jamaican Patois. Just what you've been waiting for, right? What qualifies me to teach this? I was born and grown in Jamaica. Well, that's how we say it in Jamaica. You're born and grow, which simply means that you were born and you were raised in a certain place. What I want to give you here is just a quick overview about Patois. The Jamaican Patois is really a Creole form of language that was developed in Jamaica. Patois is classified as a language. It is not a slang. It is not broken English, and you do not speak Jamaican. What you do speak is Jamaican Patois, or with a Jamaican accent. Get it straight. A lot of the words that are used in the Jamaican Patois have similarities with many of the words in some of these West African languages. Actually, even some words within Portuguese, Spanish, even Hindi that have some similarities with words in Patois. Who would have thought, right? Not all Jamaicans speak Patois. Some people just do not use it. They may know it, and definitely they may understand it, having grown up in the culture, but they choose not to speak it, and that's quite okay. Nothing wrong with that whatsoever. As for me though, me not feel good unless me I chat up the Patois woolly. Trust me. English is the official language in Jamaica. It is the written language that is used in an official forum. It is taught in schools. It is used as the official form of communication, whereas the Jamaican Patois is more seen as an informal way of communicating amongst friends, peers, that kind of thing. So, why is Jamaican Patois so popular? Well, because of the music, because of the culture, because of the vibe. Jamaica is a prime tourist destination, so when people are learning about, the place that they're gonna come and visit, they end up wanting to learn a little bit more about this interesting language. And oftentimes you even have people who are relocating to Jamaica who want to learn the language so that they can communicate more with the people in their neighborhoods and their environment. Some people even want to learn Jamaican Patois so that they can get Hollywood roles for the part of a Jamaican. Maybe you're one of them. You have a boyfriend. Me know. Lots of foreigners have Jamaican boyfriend, or if you're a male, you might have a Jamaican girlfriend, and you want to understand, because trust me, when you get a Jamaican man, the worst patois start to leg out of their mouth. You know that. You will get the chance here on my channel to understand exactly how to pronounce some of those words that you may have seen, those little wonderful handy dandy travelers phrase books. In Jamaica, them love the reggae music. Wrong. In Jamaica, we love the reggae music. This language is very colorful, very expressive, very vibrant. The most difficult thing I know is to read Patois when you have absolutely no idea about the pronunciation. I'm here to help. So, this will be a fun tutorial that will have you speaking like a Jamaican in no time, or at least sounding a little bit more authentic than before. So, if you're serious about learning, Subscribe to my channel for weekly videos and stay tuned for a very interesting series. Bye!